Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick, how to open multiple tabs in Notion, whether you're working in your browser or using the Notion desktop app. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly toggle between different Notion workspaces, dashboards, or pages, making your workflow smoother and more efficient, just like how seasoned Notion users do it. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about using Notion in your web browser. Sometimes you're juggling several projects, and it quickly gets tedious switching between database views, task boards, and notes all in a single window. But thankfully, you can have everything side by side simply by opening each page in its own browser tab. Let me walk you through this. When you're on a Notion page in, say, Chrome or Firefox, and you spot a link to another Notion page, maybe a subpage in your workspace, just go ahead and right-click that link. You'll see a menu pop up. Look for the option that says Open Link in New Tab. Give that a click and voila, the page loads in a separate tab instantly. This is such a classic browser move. It works for Notion, but also for pretty much any website. And if you're someone who likes keyboard shortcuts, speedy folks, I'm looking at you, you can simply hold down the Control key, Command if you're on Mac, and click the link. The result is the same. A new tab appears in your browser with the page loaded up. No extra clicking required. That simple 2-second trick can save you a ton of time. Imagine you're working on a knowledge base and need to reference a template while writing documentation. Instead of hopping back and forth, you keep both pages open side by side. Or maybe you'd like your personal tasks open while reviewing your team's project board. It's all about multitasking and trimming down those little inefficiencies. Now, what if you're on the Notion desktop app? Good news, the process is almost exactly the same, so there's no need to relearn anything. On the desktop app, when you see a page you want to open in a new tab, simply click the page link just as you would in your browser and select Open in New Tab. The new tab will pop up inside the Notion window, just like having multiple browser tabs but within the app itself. If you're more of a keyboard shortcut enthusiast, you can still use the trusty Control key and click. That instantly creates a new tab inside Notion's workspace. Don't worry if you're new to tabs or aren't sure if you're clicking in the right spot. A gentle tip is to try it out on any subpage link in Notion and see the magic happen. If nothing appears, double-check that you're right-clicking a link and not just some empty space. This multi-tab approach is perfect for deep dives into your Notion setup. Maybe you're comparing roadmaps, editing several entries at once, or just like having some reference materials open while planning. You might even think of it like having an organized pile of folders spread out on your desk, always just an arm's reach away. And that's really all there is to it. Opening multiple tabs is quick, easy, and can make your Notion experience feel much more powerful. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into something unexpected, drop a comment below. I'd love to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart Notion tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.